Manizales by Sandra Garcia. My native city is Manizales. Currently has 298,874 inhabitants. It is called the City of the Open Doors. Its inhabitants are friendly and charming people who makes you feel like you are the home. It also has an excellent infrastructure and topography of the city is very steep. Manizales in national is recognized when the university city. Manizales has a large broad portfolio of university, giving local and foreign students and myriad of possibilities for higher education. Currently has 3 international accredited universities. The university is Arzont National University, University of Caldas, and the University of Manizales. And project in the moment an University Autónoma and Catholic University. The possibility in Manizales, the university city is the Colombian Boston to the university cited on Colombia. Manizales is a very, very city touristic. The place more important in Manizales is the Nevada race. Is the magical place where you see large plantations or frailejones. In seasons where condors and live in captivity, and I look at the place, the same is the Lunar Valley. It's a relaxed and very, very calm and great pace. Near for the Nevada Ruiz is the Thermales Springs, where the medicinal waters sprout, and they will help to spend an excellent time with your family and loved ones. Other city important in Manizales is the Recinto del Pensamiento. Is a hotel where you feel the pure and direct contact with the nature. Is a very, very large place, very, very big, green area. In the Recinto del Pensamiento, you have orchid garden and butterfly garden. It's a great experience for those who want to escape the noise and the stress of the city. For those who like architecture and is historic, you can visit Basilica Cathedral. We have the famous police corridor, where you can admire an excellent view of a large part of the city. Another emblematic place to visit in Manizales is Chipre. It's the highest part for the city, so temperature can get very cold, ideal for eating corn and delicious wafers. We also find the Tower de Chipre that offer extreme sports, such as walking for a platform outside the tower, 30 meters high, or jump with security measures. For the slopes on the Chipre neighbor, you can also practice parapent and enjoy the most beautiful sunsets. Manizales, within its museum modulation, has their club, starts from the class part, that is part of the city center, or the municipal of Villa Maria, giving easy to access to inhabitants of the city. In Manizales in September, celebration the International Theater Festival, where you can all 15 scenarios, is very variety for large and small. It's a great future for the Manizalita culture. Another of the major and most represented events in the city is the traditional International Coffee Fair, which takes place in the first weekend and then January, with great parades and different reputation for the international breed of coffee. The famous cavalcade is what gives the opening the first, and it will fix to those we like the full fit thing. In the fair, you went enjoy the sporting events, for example, balling in Trojan race and the downhill. The both is sporting streams. Manizales is the beautiful city, wonderful things to see and enjoy, and at the same time feel the human warmth and kindness or for our people. Thank you.